Hi friends, let's check the vacancies in the National Housing Bank. Submission of application on the payment fee from 8th August to 28th August. Fees to be paid only in the online form. Mode of application: candidates are required to apply online through National Housing website nhb.org.in from 8th August to 28th August. Only online mode, no other mode is accepted. Important dates: cutoff date for eligibility criteria is 1/8/2020. Website link for online registration for application is 8/8/2020. Last date for online registration is 28 August. Number of vacancies for DGM Chief Risk Officer is General Category 1, Risk Management 1, General Category, and the total is 1. Age limits: Manager Credit Audit is 2 vacancies, and the age limit is up to 35. Next note: eligibility criteria, nationality or citizenship. Candidate must be Indian. Eligibility criteria: specified relevant documents, nationality, age, etc. Nationality or citizenship: a candidate must be either Indian or subject to Nepal or Bhutan. Relaxation in the upper age limit: for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe 5 years, other backward classes 3 years. Physical disability: person with the physical disabilities 10 years, for the general category SC and ST 15 years, and the OBC 13 years. Age relaxation: minimum educational qualification and the professional qualification and mandatory experience. Post is for the Chief Risk Officer. Mandatory educational qualifications of risk manager certification or financial risk management. The desirable educational qualifications are CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst from the CFA Institute, or Chartered Accountant, or the Cost Management CMA, that is ICWA. Desirable experience: good understanding of the market risk. Mandatory experience is 5 years experience in the corporate credit and the risk management at the level of the assistant general manager. One or more regulating lending entity. Contract period for the post of DGM, that is initial period is 3 years or 65 years of the age, whichever is earlier. Mandatory educational or professional qualifications. Let's see another post. Risk management. For the AGM, human resources, MBA HR can apply. 3 years experience in the bank or the financial institutions, government institutions, other public sector institutions in the areas related to HR. Risk management, graduate degree with the professional qualification of FRM. Financial risk management. Undesirable educational qualifications is CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, Chartered Accountant, or Cost Accountant, that is ICWA. Mandatory experience is 2 years in the corporate credit and the risk management, 1 year in the corporate credit and 1 year in the risk management. Desirable experience: good understanding of the market risk or the liquidity management. Next, manager of the credit audit, chartered accountant or cost accountant, CA, CMA, CWA, CFA, and with grant and MBA finance also can apply. 2 years of experience in the banks or financial institution handling credit or audit or risk. 2 years experience. Candidates should have proficient in the computers, good in interpersonal communications. Educational qualification mentioned should be full-time course from a university, not open degree. Candidate should indicate the percentage obtained in the graduation or PG calculated to the nearest 2 decimal places. Percentage should be mentioned. Calculation of percentage and other details. Okay, let's check another one. DCM job profile, assessing and mitigating significant risks to the bank and its earnings. Bank overall risk management. CRO must identify assets, measure, manage, etc. Any other words interested? Next, related to us is risk management. Probation period. Shortlisting and the interview. The selected candidate will be on the probation period for the 1 year of the active service from the date of his or her joining in the bank, which is extendable at the discretion of the bank. Posting or transfer. Selected candidate will be liable to be posted, transferred at the sole discretion of the bank. That is, banks wish if they want to change from one location to another location, they can change or transfer you. Next, the bank reserves the right to conduct online written examinations if they receive large number of the applications. Next, download their interview e-call letters from the website nhb.org.in. That is official website. Candidates shortlisted for the interviews will be published on the NHB website. Details regarding date, time, and venue of the interview will be informed to the shortlisted candidates in the e-call letter. While appearing for the interview, the candidate may opt for the interview in the Hindi or English. While participating in the interview, printout of the interview e-call letter, valid gender, date of birth, photo identity, mark sheet, caste certificate, etc. to be carried. And emoluments and service conditions for the chief risk officer and 3.75 lakhs to pay 1.25 lakhs per month. For the risk management, 1 lakh 2,286 rupees per month already remuneration. For both the for only risk management. For the manager credit audit, 84,384 per month. And the application fee and the intimation charges for SC, ST, PW, the physical rupees 100. Other than SC, ST, PD, rupees 600. Identity verification. Documents to be produced: ration card and the driving license in case of the candidates who have changed the name. The biometric device capture. Read all the instructions once again. How to apply? Let's check how to apply. Details and the detailed guidelines of the procedure for application registration, payment of fees, document scan and upload. Candidates can apply online mode from 8/8/2020 to 28th August. Important points to be noted before registration. Before applying, the candidate should have photograph. Let's check the size. Signature with the black pen only. Left thumb impression on the white paper with the black or blue ink on handwritten declaration. Signature in the capital letters not accepted. Don't keep capital letters your signature. The left thumb impression should be properly signed. And don't spread the ink when you are keeping the thumb impression. Make the payment online. Read all instructions once again. Have a valid personal email ID and the mobile number which should be kept active till the completion of the recruitment process. Rank may be sent intimation to download the call letters for the interview, etc. He or should create his or her new email ID and mobile ID before applying online and must maintain the email account and the mobile number. Application fee once paid won't get refund. Candidates go to National Bank website. Click on the section opportunities at NHB, current vacancies, recruitment of specialist officers in the various scales on regular or contractual basis 2020. Click here to apply online. I will provide you this PDF in the below the video in the description. To register application, choose the tab, click here for the new registration and enter the name, contact details and the email ID provisional. Click here for registration. Provisional registration number and the password will be generated by the system and displayed on the screen. Save and next tab. After filling all the details, candidates are advised to then click final submit button. Check all the details once again before applying. Certificates, marks and mark sheets of the identity proofs. Click on the validate button if all the details are correct. Then save and next button. Then upload the photo, signature, thumb impression, handwritten declaration. Then click on the final submit button. Final submit after verifying and ensuring the photograph and the signature. Then payment button. Click on the submit button. Payment of the fees online mode through RuPay, Visa, MasterCard, Mastro, credit cards, etc. Mobile wallets. Anything is considered. Candidates are required to take the printout of the e-receipt on the online application form. Guidelines, check all the guidelines and instructions. See how many the pixel size of the images, anything. Signature according to the scanning the document should be 200 dpi. Left thumb impression, check all the details once again. The size and other details. Check all the details slowly. Support service cgrs.ibps.in. Candidates must mention NHB recruitment of the specialist officers in the various scales. Read the general instructions also before applying. the photo size and the document to be uploaded, scan document size and thumb impression size. And lastly, we check e-call letters. The venue, date, and the time of the interview shall be intimated in respective e-call letter. An eligible candidate should download his or her e-call letter from the official website of the NHB, nhb.org.in. Intimations will also send by email and the SMS to the email ID and mobile number registered in the online application form for the post. Candidates keep in touch regularly with the official website of NHB website. Announcements. All further announcements will be published on the nhb.org.in website. Thank you.